Do you think I can get money by filming you? Okay guys, who wants to buy an old dryer? Lolo will sell it for only 5 pesos.
Won't be any good to you because I'll take the motor out of it.
And only the covers left.
Grinder.
And what you gonna use it for?
Use what for?
The grinder?
Make a grinder. Cut knife.
Oh, you only want the motor.
There you go.
What?
There it is. Broken spring. Spring broke.
Oh, okay.
Turns it off and on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll buy a new one.
Oh, so you're still gonna use this?
Huh?
Is she gonna? What do you mean? Buy a spring?
It needs a new spring. You can't buy them.
Ah, so
Where
you need.
buy them at?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
So magpalitag bago ma. Buy a new one.
After the springs broke on that mother, nowhere for us to get moving.